Ciao Shanghao ulit mga ka-trip. So today we're here at the Red House. And this Red House or the Shimen Red House is a very historic landmark dito sa Taiwan dahil ito do yung first public market noon at until now it's still here standing tall. And ngayon naging visiting center siya, tourist visiting center siya, and also housed a lot of local boutiques and maraming tinda dito kung gusto niyo makita ang mga abubot, and also the history is here nakalagay dito sa kanilang wall. You can read them anong nangyari dito after na naging public market siya noon. And maganda pa rin ang loob niya, modern na siya, hindi na katulad noon na market, pero makita mo pa rin ang kagandahan ng building na ito. Outside naman ang dami-daming bars and everything, so maganda mamasyal at mag-inom dito.